Morning everybody. Now we will discuss some exercise sums from the areas so that we will get at least some idea on the areas. Exercise 70 third sum. Y is equal, first Roman third sum. Y is equal to x cube plus 3 and y equal to 0, x equal to minus 1, x equal to 2. How will be the curve looks like? First we should have the rough sketch. Then only we can do graphs. This areas properly. So draw the rough sketch first. If x equal to minus 1, what will be the value of the y? X equal to minus 1 means y is 2 like. Y is x equal to minus 1 means y is some minus 1 plus 3 is 2 somewhere like this. And x equal to 0, y is 3. Like this, and x equal to 2 means y is 11 like this. So what I want to say is the curve will be like this. The curve will be like this, x cube, y equal to x cube plus 3, the curve will be like this. It's increasing as well as decreasing like this. This is the curve of y equal to x cube. He is asking between the limits minus 1 to 2. Here this is minus 1 and here somewhere 2 actually. Now between these two is asking. So this area I want. Why I drew the curve is, if for example, if the curve is like this, then I need to split up to here and here to here. That's why I am drawing the graph. So if you know the rough sketch, you can do the sum very easily properly. So now directly I can do minus 1 to 2 because this is f of x between the limits a to b and continuous means our first concept, and y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means this x-axis. So this area only is asking. Y equal to 0 means x-axis. So this area only is asking. So area of that is our first formula a of x equal to integral of a to b means here minus 1 to 2 f of x dx. F of x here is x cube plus 3 dx. X cube plus 3 dx. So this is integral of x cube, x power 4 by 4 plus integral of 3x between the limits minus 1 to 2. Upper limit minus lower limit. What is upper limit? 2. If I substitute 2 here, 2 power 4 by 4, 16 by 4, 4 plus 2 here, 3 2 is 6, 3 2 is 6 minus lower limit. If I substitute lower limit here, minus 1 power 4, 1 by 4 minus 3 into 1 3. So if I open the brackets, 10 minus 1 by 4 plus 3, 13 minus 1 by 4, so is equal to 52 LCM 52 minus 1, 51 by 4 square units, 51 by 4 square units, 51 by 4 square units. Now next question, say find the area between the curves y is equal to e power x, y equal to x, x equal to 0, x equal to 1. So first draw the rough sketch actually. What is y equal to e power x? E power x graph will be like this. I already explained in functions how the graphs will be. So e power x graph is like this. This is a graph of e power x or a power x, one and z. Next, only difference, e is fixed value, a is not fixed value. Next, y equal to x is a graph like this. Y equal to x is a graph like this. Next, x equal to 0 means y axis, this is x equal to 0 and x equal to 1 is a graph like this. So, in between all the four curves, this curve, this curve, this line, this line. So what is the area? This area is asking. This area is asking. So if you observe, it is like what I told is f of x, upper curve, g of x, lower curve. If f of x is more than g of x, take f of x minus g of x between the limits 0 to 1. Gives me this area only in between the two curves, between the limits. So we'll use that. And if you don't know which is upper curve, which is lower curve, if you don't draw the sketch, you don't know which is upper curve, which is lower curve, then in that case also you can take fx minus gx and take modulus. No need to know which is upper curve. So modulus you can take, I told. So without modulus you can draw the graph, you can check which is upper curve, which is lower curve. Now upper curve is e power x, lower curve is y equal to x. Lower curve is y equal to x. So according to that, area function is integral of 0 to 1, integral of 0 to 1, f of x minus g of x. We'll write formula for this. A to b, if two curves are there, fx minus gx dx, I told you. So according to that, integral of 0 to 1, fx here is e power x, minus dx here is x, y equal to x. So e power x minus x dx. So integral of e power x, you know that e power x itself, minus x integration is x square by 2 between the limits 0 to 1. Between the limits 0 to 1. Now upper limit is 1, lower limit is 0. If I apply the upper limit, becomes e power 1 minus 1 by 2 upper limit minus lower limit is 0, e power 0 minus 0 by 2 is 0 only. So left out is e power 1 is e minus 1 by 2 minus e power 0 is again 1, e power 0 is 1. So that is 0 you can leave. So finally e minus 3 by 2, e minus 3 by 2 square units, e minus 3 by 2 square units is the required area, is the required area. Next one, find the area enclosed by the curves mod x plus mod y equal to 1. Here there are 4 curves actually, means 4 lines. Mod x plus mod y, you know what is mod x, plus or minus x. Mod y plus or minus 1 means if all are plus, then x plus y equal to 1 line. X minus y equal to 1 is another line. Minus x plus y equal to 1 is the third line. Minus x minus y equal to 1 is the fourth line. There are 4 lines because mod x means plus or minus 1. Now if you draw the sketch, how will be the sketch? First sketch is 0, 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1. Now if I take the first graph, this is, if y is 0, x is 1, x is 0, y is 1, 0 comma 1, 1 comma 0. So line will be like this. If you draw the graph for the second, x is 0, x is 0, y is minus 1, x is 0, y is minus 1, and y is 0, x is plus 1, means this is the line. Like if you draw the graph for the third line, x is 0, y is plus 1, y is 0, x is minus 1, so this is the line. And if you draw the line for the fourth one, both are negative, minus 1 comma 0, 0 comma minus 1, this is the area. So area between these 4 lines is this whole area I want. This whole area I want. So if you observe, these 4 are symmetrical. These 4 are symmetrical triangles. So simple way is find the area of one triangle. Area of one triangle into 4 gives me whole area. Area of one triangle into 4 gives me whole area. So what I want to take is, I will take only first line, that is y is equal to 1 minus x. Y is equal to 1 minus x. So if I am assuming this is a1, this is a2, this is a3, a4, all are similar. a1 equal to a3 equal to a4. So I will find a1 and then into 4 gives me total area. So a1 of x equal to the limits, x limits here, if you take, this is 1 comma 0, this is 0 comma 1. So limits are 0 to 1 or 1 to 0, one choice of taking. 0 to 1. The curve is 1 minus x dx. Curve is 1 minus x dx. Now this is equal to integral of 1 dx is x minus x dx is x squared by 2. Between the limits 0 to 1. Between the limits 0 to 1. Now it becomes, if I substitute upper limit 1 minus 1 by 2, lower limit anyhow 0 only. No need to substitute, you will get 0 only. So that is 1 minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 square units. So this is 1 by 2 square units. Now I want total area. So whole area is nothing but 4 times of this triangle. So total area A of x equal to 4 times of A1 of x. So that is 4 into 1 by 2. So 2 square units. 2 square units. So this first I am finding this area. Then into 4 I am doing. So that I am getting whole area. So that is 4 times of A1 of x. A1 of x I got 1 by 2 square units. So 4 into 1 by 2 gives me 2 square units. Gives me 2 square units. Like this you can draw you can find the area of this quadrilateral formed by the 4 lines. Now find the area of the curve between x equal to 2 minus 5y minus 3y square and x equal to 0. X equal to 2 minus 5y minus 3y square. How will be the curve? How will be the curve? If you want, you can arrange like this: minus 3y square minus 5y plus 2. Now you can come to know that this is a quadratic equation in y. This is a quadratic in y. Now y square equal to 4ax means parabola is like this. Y square equal to 4ax parabola will be like this. But here vertex is not 0, 0. So what is the vertex, you know? By completing square you can get the vertex and all. That is not needed now actually. This is minus 3y square means curve will be like this. Curve will be like this. So it is cutting x equal to 0 means y axis, and it is cutting y axis at 2 points. It is cutting at y axis at 2 points. Assume this is A, this is B. It is cutting at y axis at A and B. Now he is asking this area. He is asking this area. So like this you can do this type of sums. Simple way is to find the two limits A and B. Then between the limits y axis and the curve. Y axis and the curve. To find the limits, make this is 0. So 0 equal to limits of this is nothing but it is cutting y axis at 2 points and y axis x is 0. So I am making x is 0. So you are getting 3y square plus 5y minus 2. If I am taking it as 0 and minus common. Now you can go for completing factorization. 3 2 is 6. 6 1 is 6 plus 1 5. So 3y square plus 6y minus 1y minus 2. So this is 3y into y plus 2 minus 1 into y plus 2. Becomes 3y minus 1 into y plus 2. So implies is equal to 0 implies y equal to 1 by 3 or y equal to minus 2. 1 by 3 or minus 2. So it is cutting x-axis at 2 points, y-axis at 2 points, 1 by 3 comma minus 2. So this is 1 by 3, this is minus 2, minus 2. So at 2 points it is cutting y-axis, so x-axis will be somewhere like this. So you can find easily between the limits 1 by 3 to minus 2. Y limits are 1 by 3 to minus 2. You can integrate this directly, you get area. So integral of total area is now 1 by 3 to minus 2. Minus 2 to 1 by 3. The curve is 2 minus 5y minus 3y square. 2 minus 5y minus 3y square. So this is equal to 2y minus 5y square by 2. So automatically this is dy instead of dx because I am integrating with respect to y. I am finding with y limits. So this is 5y square by 2 minus 3y cube by 3 between the limits minus 2 to 1 by 3. Minus 2 to 1 by 3. So if I substitute upper limit now, 2 into 1 by 3, 2 by 3 minus 5 into 1 by 3 whole square minus 5 by 2 into 1 by 3 whole square is 1 by 9 minus this is 3, 3 gets cancelled. Y cube 1 by 3 whole cube is 1 by 27. 1 by 27 minus lower limit. Lower limit is minus 2, I need to substitute. Minus 2 into 2 minus 4. This is minus 5 into minus 2 square 4 by 2 2 minus y cube minus 2 whole cube minus 8 plus 8. So by simplifying this, LCM of all this is 54 I can take, or LCM will take in the last 2 by 3 minus 5 by 18 minus 1 by 27. Here minus of 5 2s are 10 minus 14 plus 8 6. So minus of minus plus 6 I can take. Now I will take 54 is LCM. 54 is LCM. So 3 goes 18 times. 18 to 36. 18 goes 3 times. Minus 15 minus 2 plus 8. 54 into 6. 54 into 6. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30 into 2. 324. So by simplifying. Now by simplifying, you got 343 by 54 square units. 343 by 54 square units. Like this, you can solve the parabolas. So if it is a quadratic in x or y, it should be a parabola. If it is a y, it is symmetric with x-axis. If it is a quadratic in x, then symmetric with respect to y-axis. If it is a quadratic in x, then it should be symmetric with y-axis like this. So like that you can remember easily. Quadratic equation have two roots. So these are the two roots. It intersects the y-axis at 2 points. Like that you can solve very easily. Coming to the next one. Y is equal to x square and y is equal to 2x. Area between the two terms. Now you know that just now I told y is equal to x square, quadratic in x means symmetric with y-axis. Symmetric with y-axis. So the curve will be always like this. Here y square equal to 4ax or x square equal to 4ay are the parabolas having vertex 0 0 origin I told. So this is a parabola with vertex at origin. Previously it is not at origin, but here it is at origin because there is no quadratic equation completely. Just x square. Y is equal to x square. It is a parabola like this. Y is equal to x square. Actually x square equal to 4ay we will call. Here a is 1 by 4. That's why it is becoming x square equal to y. The next line y is equal to 2x. You know it is a line y is equal to mx plus c. C is 0 means it is a line passing through origin. So you will get a line y is equal to 2x is this. Y is equal to 2x line is this. And this is y equal to x square. Y is equal to x square. Now he is asking area between these two. Area between these two. This line and the curve. Line and the curve between the two is asking. Between the two is asking. Means upper curve minus lower curve. By drawing I will come to know that upper curve is y equal to 2x. Lower curve is y is equal to x square. So fx minus gx. 2x minus x square. If you don't draw, you will get 2x. You will get 2x in the down, x square in the upper. You will write x square minus 2x. You will write. You will get negative area. Then take modulus, no problem. Now, what are the limits? This I know 0, 0 origin. But what about this? We need to find the limit. So at this point, these two are equal. Means x square equal to 2x. So x square minus 2x equal to 0. You will get both the points. X into x minus 2 equal to 0. X equal to 0 or x equal to 2. This is 0 I already told. And the next point is this is 2 comma something. 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4. So now you will take x limits, upper curve minus this lower curve gives me this inner area. So integral of, I will take the limits as 0 to 2. I will take the limits as 0 to 2 fx minus gx. So area between the two curves is area function equal to upper curve I got it as 2x minus lower curve is x square by drawing the graph. If you want to draw the graph, you will take this is fx, this is gx, nothing will happen, take modulus. So this is equal to 2x integration 2 into x square by 2 minus x square integration x cube by 3 between the limits 0 to 2. So now the upper limit is 2, if I substitute 2 square 4 minus 2 cube 8 by 3. Now you limit anyhow 0 only, no need to do. So 3 LCM, 3 4 that 12 minus 8, 4 by 3 square units. 4 by 3 square units. 4 by 3 square units. Very simple. Sir. Next one, find the area bounded by the curve with x-axis with positive x-axis y equal to 1 plus 8 by x square, x equal to 2, x equal to 4. He himself giving direct limits. So that is integral of 2 to 4. He himself giving the limits 2 to 4. Between the limits 1 plus 8 by x square. This is a direct sum. Very there this like maybe. So this integral of 1 dx is x plus 8 into x power minus 2. X power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. Between the limits 2 to 4. So upper limit 4 if I substitute here. 4 minus 8 by 4. 8 by 4 is 2. Minus lower limit. 2 if I substitute. 2 minus 8 by 2 is 4. So final answer is 4 minus 2. 2 minus half minus plus 2. So 2 plus 2, 4 square units. 4 square units. Such a simple sentence. Area bounded by the curve y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square 4x. Sorry. Y square equal to 4x. X square equal to 4y. Sorry. This other side. Y square equal to 4x. And x square equal to 4y. Area bounded by the two curves. Y square equal to 4x, x square equal to 4y. So how to solve? Y square equal to 4x. So square is for y, means symmetric about x axis I told. So y square equal to 4x is a curve like this. This is a curve y square equal to 4x. Next another curve x square equal to 4. So square for x means it is symmetric about y axis I told. So like this. This is x square equal to 4y. This is y square equal to 4x. Now I find the area between the two curves. Area between the two curves means this area. So like the previous sum, same I can take upper curve minus lower curve between these two limits. So only thing I need the two limits. Here I know 0, 0 because both are passing through origin, but I need to find the second point. So both at a time I will make. This is y square equal to 4x or x square equal to 4y. Take one, then you can get. Solve both. How to solve both? Squaring on the both sides of this or squaring on both sides of this, your choice. So if I square on this, what do I get? X power 4 equal to 16y square. If I squaring on both sides, I square ds. So x power 4 equal to 16y square. Instead of y square, now I can write 4x. So x power 4 equal to 16 into 4x. Because at this point both the curves are intersecting. So both are equal. I am making equal at that point. So x power 4 minus 64x equal to 0. By taking x common. So x equal to 0 or x cube equal to 64 and x equal to 4. X cube equal to 64 implies x equal to 4. So this is 4 comma, if x is 4, what is y? 16. 16 16 by 4 comma 4 is this point, and this point is 0 comma 0. So that is 0 4 comma 4, this is 0 comma 0. Between those two limits I need to find the area. So I will go for upper curve minus lower curve, upper curve minus lower curve. So integral of 0 to 4 f of x minus g of x. F of x here is y square equal to 4x, is nothing but y is equal to root 4x, means 2 root x. So 2 root x minus lower term is x square by 4. X square by 4. X square equal to 4y, means y is equal to x square by 4 dx. Now integrating. So 2 outside, x power 1 by 2 integration, x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 becomes 2 by 3. Between the limit 0 to 4. Minus, this is x square by 4, means x cube by 3 into 4, x cube by 12. Between the limits 0 to 4. Upper curve minus lower curve as usual. 4 by 3 into upper curve is 4, upper limit is 4, 4 power 3 by 2. 4 power 3 by 2 means 4 into 4 power 1 by 2. 4 root 4. Minus 1 by 12 into 4 cube is 64. So is equal to 16 root 4 by, is it 4 power? Root 4 is I can write as 2 actually. So then 16 to the 32. So this is 32 by 3 minus, here also I can cancel, 4 3s are 12, 4 16 yeah. So minus 16 by 3. So 32 by 3 minus 16 by 3 gives me 16 by 3 square units. 16 by 3 square units. 16 by 3 square units. Instead of 4 root 4, 4 to the 8 I can write directly. Here 8 I can write directly.